Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always, and to my non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. For this first craft, we need one of these and some split peas, Mod Podge, and a container to put your peas in. The first thing I will do is, I don't know if you can tell, but there's a rough edge around my wreath form, so I will sand that down and put all my peas into this little container. Next, you just want to put a lot of Mod Podge on because you want your green peas to stay on here. And I'm just going to do mine a little bit at a time. And I'll let it dry overnight, and when I am done, I will spray poly on it for two reasons. One, it's going to help hold the peas on there, and two, I don't want the color to fade. Not sure if you can see, I do have some bare spots in here, so after it dries, I will apply more Mod Podge and more peas on there. And let me tell you, this thing is starting to get heavy. I was going to make a ribbon hanger for this, but I decided I like it leaning against the wall, and I just added a little bird for a touch of spring. And now you can see where I messed up, and I missed some of the peas. And if I was to do this craft all over again, I probably would just use E6000 or some type of an epoxy, but I'm loving my Sweet Pea Wreath. Okay, on to the next project. For this craft, you want one of these wood crates, and I will paint mine with chalk white. You can use acrylic white, that probably would be better. Now that my box is dry, I will take a pencil, and you can see mine's not really sharp, and that's fine. I do not want to touch the very inside in between. I just want to outline the bottom of these just to give it like a shadow effect. Like right there, I don't want it inside. Then I'll take my finger and rub it. And I'll do this on this side and this side and this side. I think you can tell where I'm going with this. I'm making a faux books. So you want to take these letters or your cricket. And so I will place This Is Us right on here. Next, you want to take some ribbon and just hot glue it on the inside, fold it around. I think you guys know. And I will also add this ribbon on top of there and some foliage and a jute bow. But I love these things, these laser cut craft things. And this one's a rose, and I think it's going to look so perfect right there. It's like our little emblem of love. Okay, let me finish this and I'll set it up. Now, how cute is that? Not sure if you can see the little shadow effect, but I'm loving this. And you know, I like that rose on there, but I did find these, and I wish I would have put that love on there. That would have been so much better, but I have another plan for this. So we need one of these for our next craft. But I'm loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. I love these stickers. I make a lot of card crafts, but for this one, I'm going to attach it to this. I love the color of this. I love the Mercury glass the Dollar Tree sells. You can actually take this paint off. I've done it before on the other ones. I love it in silver. It looks gorgeous. But I'm going to keep this color on. And these are stickers. And I'm just going to attach it to the vase or the candle holder. Throw my candle in it and call it good. So this is a hard sticker. So what I did is I just placed a piece of masking tape around it and left it overnight. So let me take the tape off. And there it is. I'm loving these easy crafts. Okay, on to the next craft. For this craft, we will start off with one of these wreath ring. I love these things. You get two for $1. And a piece of nautical rope. What I will do with the nautical rope is I will separate one strand, and the inside ring to the middle ring, I will hot glue it on there and just wrap it completely around until this ring is all covered with nautical rope. Now that this is all wrapped up and you can see my glue marks on the bottom, I will take this ribbon, cut 4 inches off, fold it in half, and then fold it in half again and make some dovetail cuts. Then I'll separate it like this and hot glue it to the back over this wire like this, and I will do that all around. Starting to look good so far, so we will flip this over, grab a different ribbon. I cut mine to 3 and dovetailed it, and I will hot glue it right here. And what I will do is I will glue mine like that, and then I'll start filling it in like this, and then I'll go over to cover the gap up. So let me finish that and show you what that looks like. After that is done, I will attach these, and I cut these 4 inches and dovetailed them, and same process as I did the burlap. And when I'm done with that, I'm just going to attach a little jute hanger to the back of it. So this is what it looks like so far, and I'm loving it just like this. But I will take a 4-inch piece of popsicle stick, and I will attach it to this with mounting tape. That way I can take it on and off. And I will fill up my popsicle stick with some greenery and some foliage and set it up. Now, how cute is that? And I did add a little bow at the bottom. I'm loving this. This would look cute on a mirror too. Okay, until next time, take care of yourself and one another.